And welcome back to Bitcoin Advisors channel. My name is Chris, bringing it to you here from Westlake Village, California. It's another scorcher out there. Too bad we're not at the beach. Anyways, getting back into it. Today I want to go over some exceptional Bitcoin news. And first thing on the board here, the Paraguayan Senate approves a cryptocurrency bill. Yes, the Senate has approved a bill that seeks to regulate cryptocurrencies and their operations in the country. The bill, which had already been submitted to the deputy chamber, was approved with some changes suggested, establishing clear definitions and tax exemptions for companies in the cryptocurrency and crypto mining sectors. Yep, countries in LATAM and that's Latin America, are seeking to standardize and regulate cryptocurrency to bring more clarity to investors dedicated to the industry in the area. On July 14th, the Paraguayan Senate green-lighted a cryptocurrency bill that defines several rules that companies and individuals will have to follow to operate with cryptocurrencies. Hey, maybe the United States should jump on board and do something like that. The bill, which was introduced by Senator Fernando Silva Facchetti and others last year, was amended by the deputy chamber, which proposed some changes considered an improvement per facet statements. The bill established the Ministry of Industry and Commerce of the country as the institution with the task of regulating cryptocurrency-related services. So in the tax area, cryptocurrency companies will be exempt from paying value-added taxes, but will have to pay income taxes. So that was what I thought was interesting about the bill. Second piece of news coming up here. Louisiana banks can now store crypto assets. Wow. So banks in Louisiana are now allowed to offer crypto custody services. Louisiana is the first state to pass such a law. Some crypto enthusiasts aren't too happy about the direction of the bill. Banks in Louisiana are presently permitted to offer crypto guardianship administrations to clients because of another bill, just known as 802. The bill will permit banks in the Pelican State to hold advanced monetary standards close by fiat resources for retail and institutional clients. So Jesse Duplantis, you better get you some Bitcoin out there. I know you're out there in Louisiana. Anyways, at the hour of composing, the crypto space has been defaced intensely by crashing costs. Bitcoin, for instance, has fallen in excess of 70% from its unequaled high of 68,000 per last November. The crash, currently exchanging for somewhat more than 20,000. Bitcoin is actually at about 22,000 right now, and many are contemplating whether the space has met a troublesome end. So, obviously, there are a few out there that think not and accept a crypto buyer market isn't too distant. Louisiana is the principal state to pass such a regulation, proposing the computerized cash space is going standard and arriving at another degree of authenticity that individuals basically aren't discussing sufficient in that frame of mind of continuous plunges. So I'm going to leave a link for the article in the description below if you care to read a little bit more about it. And the third piece of news, which I thought was pretty cool, Bitcoin Magazine highlights, yes, we know you accept cookies. Again, Bitcoin Magazine highlights Southland Credit Union to enable Bitcoin purchases in partnership with NYDIG. So Southland Credit Union will offer services to its customers by allowing them to buy, sell, and hold Bitcoin on a custodial platform. Look, guys, if you've been following our channel for some time, I've been saying this for the past couple of years, that we are just waiting for the banks to catch on, and then they're going to be the ones saying, hey, we're going to store your Bitcoin, right? Pretty soon you're going to be able to go down to Bank of America, and not only are you going to be able to store your Bitcoin and your Ethereum coin and all your other coins, but guess what's going to be the number one coin? Mr. Fed coin. Yep, I do expect that these guys are all planning to adopt the new Federal Reserve coin. As a matter of fact, they're not talking about it in the news, but the Federal Reserve has already been testing a new Fed coin, a new Federal Reserve coin that everybody's going to be stuck on at some point. Not in the near future, but we all know it's coming. Anyways, Southland's custodial partner is Bitcoin bank NYDIG, making them the second credit union in the region to offer NYDIG services. Users cannot transfer Bitcoin from one wallet to another. Instead, a user would need to sell their coins and withdraw fiat funds to exit the platform. Southland Credit Union, a billion-dollar institution, is now the second credit union in Southern California to enable its customers to purchase Bitcoin through its mobile banking app, according to the press release. Bitcoin purchases were enabled through a partnership with Bitcoin bank NYDIG, which specializes in offering infrastructure to companies and institutions looking to broker Bitcoin services to their customers. Users will be able to buy, sell, and hold their Bitcoin in NYDIG's custodial platform. However, currently users cannot transfer Bitcoin from one wallet to another. Anyways, it defeats the whole purpose of really owning Bitcoin, letting the bank hold your Bitcoin. Long story short, but that's where it's going. You know, at the end of the day, nobody wants to deal with two-factor authentication, a million different passwords, and trying to figure out how to send Bitcoin from one wallet to the other. Pretty soon, it'll all be linked up through your Apple mobile app, just like you got Apple Pay. You're going to be able to have Bitcoin Pay on your mobile app, and everybody with half a brain knows that, guess what? You'd never pay for McDonald's with your Bitcoin. In other words, you wouldn't take your diamonds and go and, buy something stupid like Taco Bell with it, right? You're not going to take your diamond off your wife's finger and go exchange it for a bag of groceries, right? So Bitcoin is like the rarest form of diamonds on the earth. Bitcoin is going to be that store of wealth. Long-term Bitcoin, I see it going to 250,000 over the next 3 to 5 years, and probably $1 million over the next 10 years. And again, this isn't financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but I'd only hope that you start drinking the Bitcoin Kool-Aid like I have so that you can start to diversify into this incredible wealth saving asset. That's all Bitcoin is. It's life savings technology. And what a better way to do for your life savings is to start a crypto IRA, which we happen to offer here at Bitcoin Advisors. You can put Bitcoin and other cryptos in your retirement account. It's a tax-deferred, penalty-free rollover. And we offer a 100% insured custodian called Kingdom Trust, where you're able to do the same thing they're talking about at that bank, except for use it for your IRA. Now, if you're a young person out there, if you don't have a Roth IRA with crypto and you're just leaving your crypto on Coinbase, you're absolutely nuts. Go ahead and slap yourself in the face, wake up, and start a Roth IRA. Why? That way the money grows tax-free. It's that simple. That's all I got for you today, guys. Have yourself a blessed and highly favored day. Signing out.